Saturn, the sixth planet in our solar system and the second largest gas giant after Jupiter, has captivated human imagination and observation for thousands of years. From the astronomers of ancient Babylon to today's space scientists, the history of exploring Saturn and the awe inspired by its rings have played an essential role in expanding human knowledge and understanding of the universe. In ancient Babylonian and Greek astronomy, Saturn was referred to as the slow-moving star, as it appeared to move more slowly across the sky compared to other planets. In Greek mythology, Saturn was associated with the god Cronus, the deity of agriculture and time. In Indian astrology, Saturn is known as Shani, a planet linked with life's challenges and trials. The ancient concept of Saturn held a significant place in many cultures and was viewed with respect and caution. In 1610, when Galileo Galilei first observed Saturn through his telescope, he couldn't comprehend the planet's rings, seeing them instead as handles on either side of the planet, which he initially thought were companions. This shows the complexity of Saturn and how science has had to work to understand its structure. Later in 1655, Dutch astronomer Christy Onhan studied Saturn's details and clarified the presence of a thin, flat, and separate ring encircling the planet. In 1675, Italian scientist Giovani Cassini discovered a gap within Saturn's rings, now known as the Cassini division, which highlighted the intricacies of the planet's rings and remains a fundamental aspect of modern astronomy's study of Saturn. Cassini's observations also contributed significantly to the discovery of Saturn's major moons. In 2004, NASA's Cassini mission opened a new chapter in Saturn's exploration, providing detailed observations of Saturn's rings, moons, and turbulent atmosphere. The mission studied Saturn's largest moon, Titan, which has a dense and mysterious environment, and discovered geysers on Enceladus, further revealing the complexities of Saturn's system. Saturn's unique characteristics make it a fascinating and mysterious planet. Let's begin with its famous rings, which give it a regal and distinctive place in our solar system. These rings are a complex web of ice, rock, and dust particles that give Saturn a captivating appearance from afar. As a gas giant primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, Saturn's structure is lightweight and fragile. The planet spins rapidly, giving it a flattened shape at the poles and a bulging equator. Saturn has over 80 moons, including the well-known Titan and Enceladus. Titan has a dense atmosphere that resembles Earth's in some ways, while Enceladus boasts icy geysers that make its surface unique. One of the most fascinating facts is that Saturn's average density is so low that, if placed in a large enough body of water, it would float. The idea that such a massive planet with strong gravity could have such a low density that it would be buoyant is truly astonishing.